So guys, we are harvesting our pepper and we noticed something which I've already discussed earlier in the previous video. So what we have here is what is it called? Some peppers that are showing signs of calcium deficiency. You can see this one is a blossom end rot of pepper. See, here is water soaked. The tip of the pepper, this is super habanero, is soaked. You can see all these cracked pepper that are broken, that's water soaked, melting. Okay, all these peppers are the result of calcium that is a deficiency in the field. So we are going to supply calcium right now via irrigation water to increase, to change or to correct this abnormality. Let me show you guys what we're going to do. So as I showed earlier, this is calcium nitrate. Remember, all this we supply it, we have them in the store, we supply nationwide. So this is calcium nitrate, contains calcium oxide, CaO about 25%, 25.5, and nitrogen about 15.5 nitrogen. Okay, so this is what we have here. Let me show you guys how it looks like. See, that's how it looks like. So this is our Venturi. I don't know if I've mentioned it earlier. Our Venturi works by, it's very old. So these are submersible pump. Water comes through, like right now, water comes directly, the valve is open, it goes directly to the farm. You see there's a diversion right here, there's a hose right here. There's a hose here that leads it directly to the pepper farm. This is how they see the pepper farm. That's the habanero pepper farm over there. So what we're going to do now, we have a measurement that we use for every plant. We calculate by saying for every plant we use about 3 grams to 5 grams, but because of the rate of breaking of the pepper and soaking of the pepper, we want to increase. We are going for about 5 grams, and that's about what we have here. So we have about how many stands? We have about 4,000 stands of pepper here, right here. 4,000 stands of pepper. So please let me do a rough calculation. 4,000 times 5 grams. You should be having about that's about 20 kg of calcium nitrate. Okay. So, but what we have here right now is 18 kg. Okay, this is 18 kg. So that means it's going to make it to be about maybe about 4 grams or 3.5 grams per plant, but that's still okay. So we're going to turn it all inside. Remember, we're going to turn it here. We have turned everything in. To correct that the calcium deficiency, we can also spray with calcium nitrate. We spray about 100 grams in 15 liter or 16 liter knapsack sprayer. We spray and we still fertigate. So when the crop, because calcium is not really mobile, it does not go downwards. Is an element that it flows upwards. Okay, so it's not really mobile. So that's why we prefer to also apply via the roots. So while the other ones, the one we spray, will now go through. So we are going to on our generator. You are going to hear lots of noise. We on our generator to power the submersible pump. Okay, and you'll see what happens. So you see the calcium nitrate, we are adding water to the bowl. We have powered the submersible pump, pumping water out now. are going to stir it very well to dissolve it properly. So now, what do we do? So we are not going to. So what we are doing now? What we are doing? Water is passing through here and passing through the benzene. This is the benzene, okay? When we lock this place, we are going to force all the water coming from the submersible pump to pass through the battery and suck this calcium nitrate. Just watch. So the calcium nitrate is sucking it right now.